Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And just when you think Vechain couldn't get any cooler, there's some big updates coming up. So if you do like the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. First things first, if it's your first time, if somebody told you to go look at Vechain, please make sure you do your homework this weekend. Vechain.org. You can find out so much already from this particular website, starting with the white paper. It's interactive. You don't have to download it. It's on the website. You can just scroll and learn about the company, what it is, how it works, and how it's going to, what's its purpose out there in the marketplace. Not to mention that Europe at the moment is talking about releasing the green passes, which will be backed by a blockchain. And I've got a very good feeling that it will be Vechain, but we'll keep you updated on that when those news arrive. But first things first, Vechain.org. Learn everything that you can from there and follow the socials account. Now, the big news to come out of today is that the POA 2.0, the latest version, there is now a timeline of when it is coming. So there is a test net, then there will be a mainnet update, and they call it VIP 193 and VIP 200, and it is looking very nice. And this will catapult Vechain into new markets, put it into a whole new level, and I think this solidifies what I've been saying about the roadmap, to $1 and beyond. And it's so cool to get these type of updates before the weekend, and it is going to be very, very exciting to see this unfold. And why it's important is because Vechain already, as it is a beast. But these new layers that are going to come are even better. And that is going to expand how good Vechain is across so many different sectors even further. So very, very exciting. Now, why are we excited about the potential of Vechain going to $1? Well, I like what Cooley Corp has said here. Bitcoin is still a bull run as the fourth epoch has not peaked, and Vechain easily going to $1. We've been talking about this now for months. We've been talking about Vechain since March, having the potential to go to $1 and beyond. I agree with you, sir. Don't know who you are, but I like your graph. And, there will be there's so much coming, right? And when we look at this chart, we do get quite excited. In the third epoch, Bitcoin touched to 20,000, then it crashed back down all the way to under 4, and then it went and then it went down, and then now it's going to go back up. And where we are right now, if we do go to that level, we're talking about a $400,000 Bitcoin. So there is so much more, so much more to come, and so exciting to see. But even if we were to do something like the very first genesis of the first halving, that would still be a $200,000 Bitcoin that we would see before we peak and then go down. So strap yourselves in, get your seatbelts. We're going for a ride. We're going to the moon. We might even go beyond the moon. We might be going to Mars before Elon goes to Mars. So the basis rebounds, I believe we're ready now to kick off the second phase of the bull run, where we go to 100,000 and beyond with Bitcoin, and Vechain goes to $1. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm saying is that it looks very much like Christmas in the crypto world, and we've had the pain since mid-April, but I think the good times are about to roll, and when they do start rolling, they're going to be rolling in. So if you are new to crypto and you just started last week, I salute you. You couldn't have come at a better time. But always do your research. Always analyze. This is a major bullish movement by Vechain with the POA 2.0, and I can't wait. It is so exciting to see this unfold, to see this rollout, and a successful rollout of it will see us going to $1 and beyond. Now, news articles all over the web are now starting to pour in. This will make Vechain explode, load before it's too late. There was another article that came out on the market periodical.com saying the new PO2 coming is going to be a catalyst for Vechain. Strap yourselves in. So over the weekend, make sure you do plenty of research. And I hope that you see what I see and you add it to your portfolio. But as always, do your own research, do your own risk assessment. But Vechain is a beast waiting to be unleashed. What does that look like? This is how much we got more to go, you know, like where we were and where we're about to go. You know, we got at the very least another 422% to go from here. And that's just the Bitcoin versus VET chart. So I am so excited. Look into the ecosystem of Vechain, how good it is, how it works, how, you know, it's so diverse in so many different niches and so many different markets. There's just so much. I could go on and on and on about how awesome this thing is, but today's video is a quick snapshot on the kind of research that you need to do, because it is going to pay you huge dividends in the long term. We are set. We are getting ready. The engines are warmed up, and we are ready to kick off. As a day trader, you got some awesome opportunities coming up, and there will be some key levels that you decide to go on. And by the way, you know, you might not write it out to $1. You know, you might write it out to 20 cents. You might write it out to 30. You might write it out to 40. You know, at the end of the day, you do your own risk assessment and get out of it what you feel is the best option for you. Long term, myself personally, I'm a long-term holder. I'm a long-term believer. I think, you know, holding Vechain into 2022 and beyond will have huge dividends, and I'm willing to take that gamble. And at the end of the day, holding is a gamble. Selling is a gamble. But at the end of the day, you choose how you go about it. And as long as you're happy with your decision, then I will back you and support you 100%. Can we go to $1.50 by March? I think we can. Is it financial advice? No, it's not financial advice. It is my own opinion that I believe that's how good Vechain is. And we can actually get there by March. And then moving forward, you know, as we go forward, you know, we've got some key levels to look out for. We got, you know, obviously we're going to break 20 cents. Then we got 35 cents to break. You know, 26 will be very, very important. Then we got 77 cents and $1 after that. But we will be in uncharted territory, and I will keep you up to date every second and as any updates come out. So as always, if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.